When sellers want exposure beyond their zip code, they call us. And when buyers want more land, privacy, and more home for their money, they look at properties like this. This is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about moving in and out of San Diego or San Bernardino, Riverside County, or even Los Angeles, then subscribe and click that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the market here. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select Premier Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move. Now let's check out this beauty. 1 full acre, that's space you feel immediately, not kind of big, actual breathing room. At 1.895, this isn't just a house, it's scale. 1 acre gives you options, barbecue included, patio set included, so technically your first gathering is already handled. This approach gives you presence, a long driveway, strong curb appeal, a sense of arrival. You don't just pull in here unnoticed. Volume, height, and natural light. This entry sets the tone, substantial without overwhelming. This home was designed to feel solid. This is the everyday comfort zone. Another fireplace, open flow, easy access to the kitchen right behind me over here. Luxury should be livable. This layout makes sense. It's open, it's functional, easy for entertaining. Whether it's 2 guests or 12, it just flows naturally. We have a fireplace, a generous layout, real entertaining space here. This is where the holidays happen. We've got a built-in range, microwave, refrigerator included, and yes, the washer and dryer alarm system is also included. At this level, convenience isn't a bonus, it's expected. And what I love about this property is that 3 of the bedrooms have their own patio, and the primary suite has its own sitting room, which you can make into an office as well. 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, flexible space for guests, 1 bedroom downstairs, connected right next to its own bathroom. There's flexible space for guests, a home office, multi-generational living, whatever your lifestyle requires, and privacy for everyone. This primary suite is properly scaled. Room for a sitting area, natural light separation from the secondary bedrooms. It feels like a retreat in here. And this property comes with not just 1, but 2 HVAC systems. Now let's talk about why buyers are choosing Apple Valley. It's intentional. People are looking for space without leaving California. They want privacy without leaving opportunity. And here, you can still get both. Did I mention this property sits right in front of a golf course? You can't beat that. One thing you'll notice immediately, the sky feels bigger. No stacked rooftops, no high-rise shadows, just the horizon, and that changes how you live day to day. This property makes sense for a relocation buyer, someone converting equity into land, someone working remotely, owning a business, or simply prioritizing lifestyle over density. If your office travels with you, this is the kind of property that makes sense. At 1.895, this is not about chasing a trend. It's about buying land, something California is not making more of. Land holds value, privacy holds value, flexibility holds value. And 1 acre in California, that's strategic. You're within reach of major Southern California hubs, but you're not in the middle of congestion. That balance matters. You can work in California's major markets and live with space. I'm Victoria Sandoval, broker of Select Premier Properties. Our office is located in San Diego, but we sell throughout the entire state of California because marketing is what matters. And it's not about putting a sign in the yard and hoping somebody nearby sees it. It's about positioning your property in front of the right buyers wherever they are. This home isn't being marketed to the neighbors down the street. It's being marketed strategically, positioned in front of buyers in San Diego, Orange County, Los Angeles, the Bay Area, and globally, because the right buyer isn't always local, and that's exactly what this property deserves. If you're relocating from anywhere in California or even out of state, and you're looking for more home for your money, call me directly. We'll discuss strategy, long-term positioning, and whether this property aligns with your goals. If you're a seller watching this and thinking, I want that level of exposure, reach out. When sellers want exposure beyond their zip code, they call us, and we deliver.